Bill is gonna have a hard time making this.
Go back right up in this little canyon right here. I want you to say, okay, you're good there.
Isn't there snakes here?
No. This is, I'm going to get. Are you videoing it?
Yep.
And we look for that little fork here, fork there. Perfect spot right in there.
Got both of them. What was that?
Get a cell signal.
We do?
That go to Bronco.
I think something's broken.
He needs to face those wheels towards me a little bit, I think.
I'm almost certain something is broken. The lid of his ice chest fell off.
Yeah.
He's gonna have drinks all over his car.
Back up.
That doesn't sound too good.
He's going to have to go more to the, yeah. Okay.
This is painful to watch.
What's that laying down there?
Oh, all the gears and everything.
No, right there. That's the auto part.
Where?
Right on top of that rock. That's not a gear tube. Is it?
Oh no, that's
Yeah.
that's your rear drive shaft.
That's what I thought.
You're done. Why? I think that's your rear drive shaft laying in front of you. Oh, yeah. Yeah.